Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you a different DIY tutorial. It is this party jumpsuit with, I don't know whether I should call this sequins or lace or both, but anyway, so I decided to make this party jumpsuit with a matching party mask to go with. If we're gonna be partying, well, we can be safe while we're at it. So guys, if you want to find out how I made the jumpsuit, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so you're gonna start with taking a bodice pattern, a normal bodice pattern. So this is the bodice pattern that I use for all my dresses, and I'm just gonna take it and just trace out the bodice from the waist going upwards. That's all I'm going to be tracing, because we just need at the top part of this pattern, of the bodice block pattern for the jumpsuit. Just so, and I'm going to remove the 2.5 centimeters from the dot, because we're not going to put a dot here. There we go. And now we have I'm going to leave for this side, I'm going to actually just leave. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is that where I removed the 2.5 centimeters, I'm just gonna draw a line from that point to this point here, which is by the armpit, by the side seam. Just gonna draw a straight line like that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and raise the collar by I'm gonna raise the collar about 4 centimeters, and I'm just gonna draw a straight line that will join the neck curve up to the neck curve. Then I'm gonna draw a line from that neck curve to the armpit curve of the bodice piece, just like that. And that is what we're going to cut out for the top for the jumpsuit. Okay, so I have all my pattern pieces. I've got the bodice piece, which is just the front piece, because the jumpsuit does not have a back. So I've just got 3 pieces that I need to cut. So this one is going to be a quick one, guys. Okay, so I'm first going to start with the lining. So here's the lining for the jumpsuit, and I'm just going to fold it. I'm going to use this is satin, the lining. I'm lining the jumpsuit. Now the front piece must be cut on the fold of the fabric. And this is the back piece, and this is the front piece. What's nice about this jumpsuit is that it doesn't require a lot of fabric, but the fabric for the jumpsuit is really expensive, guys. Like a meter, it's over around 300, yeah, I think around 350 rand. This is some really expensive fabric. Cutting this fabric is a very tricky process. You can't just treat it like any normal fabric, and that's because of these pieces. You want to be careful that you don't cut any of these hanging pieces. So we're not gonna cut the fabric on fold. We're gonna lay one side and going to pin the pattern there, and we're gonna pin on the other side. What I did is that I measured the circumference of my back, and I added 36 centimeters to that, and that's what I'm gonna cut. The 36 centimeters is gonna be the part that is hanging at the back, that's gonna be tied together to make a bow. I'm gonna be cutting two of those pieces. All right, it is time to assemble the shorts. Going to pin the front and the back and the inner seams. Okay, so what I'm doing now is attaching the lining to the pants here at the bottom, and I'm going to attach with the right side of the fabric and the wrong side of the lining matching up. Okay, so I'm done attaching, and I also stitch here on the seam here, the two pieces. And now I'm going to pin. I'm gonna do the lace first, attach the inner leg seam, then I'm gonna do the lining. Now I've sewn the lace of the inner seam together, so now I'm going to do the lining. So I've just pinned the bodice front to the front of the shorts, and this is what looking like. Guys, so you made it to the very end of the tutorial, and now is the final reveal to see the full length of the jumpsuit. And here you go. So guys, so this is the jumpsuit. This is the side view. So as you can see, it is backless. It's held by the tie at the back, and here's the side view and back to the front. And of course we have our matching mask for the jumpsuit. Please make sure, if you haven't done so, to please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to find out about my next DIY.